Hello everyone and thanks for joining me today in a new video. So I went out and bought the cheapest 3D printer that I could find on the internet. Including shipping, this machine did cost me 68 euros and, not very surprising, it came from China. Most of the machine has already been assembled. Besides that, the box includes a power supply, some filament and a sketchy holder for the filament, a memory card and a user's manual. A small screwdriver and some screws are provided to assemble the two main parts. I guess that the filament that was included is PLA, but I will get a new spool anyway. The print bed is not heated and has a limit of 10 by 10 centimeters or 4 by 4 inches. My first impression after seeing this is quite good. I can hardly believe the decent quality you get for only 68 euros. Of course, I don't know how it will hold up over time. I have some experience with 3D printing, but I have never run a 3D printer myself. So I will find out whether this machine is a good beginner option or not. There are a few things that I will address. For example, the contraption that holds a filament is rubbish, and I will replace that ASAP. The provided user's manual is very clear and doesn't include the casual rubbish translation that we are kind of used to when it comes to Chinese import products. Overall, I am impressed by the quality of this printer and I am looking forward to using it and making some improvements along the way. By the way, I just noticed that there is an ad at the beginning of some of my videos. I just want you to know that I am making no money from making videos at this point in time. It's just YouTube cashing in on my work. So please subscribe to support me. In an upcoming video I will start using this printer to see if it is any good. Thanks for watching, consider leaving a like or comment, and until next time.